Hello friends, welcome to the Azure DevOps tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see how we can create branches in Azure DevOps using the local repository. So in the previous tutorial we have seen like how to create branches using this portal. So based on this portal we went to this branches, and from here we have seen like how we create branches and like master and the feature. Master is the by default basically a branch, and feature is the branch which we created in the last tutorial. And we have seen like how we do commit the code inside this feature branch, and how we manage this branch using the command line prompt, basically git and tortoise git and the Visual Studio. So we have seen in the previous tutorial, and even the branch which we have created, if we will click on this more, from here we can delete this branch as well. So it based on us requirement, like once the work is done with this branch, what we can do, we can delete that branch, and the option we can see here, this is the delete branch. But the default branch is here, we can't delete, we don't have option of that delete branch like we can see. But currently we are having this feature branch, that's why this branch is enabled. So that is the way like we manage branches in Azure DevOps. So before proceeding with this tutorial, I recommend you please watch previous tutorial and see like what is the process of creating the branch and commit the code into the branches. But in this tutorial we will see like how we create branches using the local repository. So let's go to the folder which we have working from the last tutorials, and these are the three folders we are looking here. And we have installed the tortoise git. So because of that we are looking some green color, red color on the folders. Based like on the folder you can see different type of the alert things you are looking, and those alert is coming because we have installed in our system tortoise git. And based on that we can see, so what it is indicating, it is indicating like whatever the green color we are looking, it is indicating all the code is uploaded on the server, basically on the repository, server repository. And those are in red, those are not up to date as per the like server repository we can see here. So different symbols is indicate the different things. So now according to this tutorial, what we are going to do, we are going to create the branches using the local repository. So first we will start with the cmd command, and basically what we can say, that we can say using the like local repository and the git. So first we'll start from here. So let's go here, and from here let's create cmd, and from here for creating the branch we have like git branch. And like if we will give this command, then we get like which branch is the activated as of now. So we can see is the master command, sorry, master branch is the activated as of now. And for creating a new branch, what we can do, branch get branch and the branch name, what kind of the branch you want to create. So I'm going to create feature local git. So it will once I will hit enter, what it will do, it will create a branch. The name of the branch will be the git branch feature local git. So that branch will create for us. So as of now, like let's see like how many branches is there. So git branch. So once I will hit enter, we can see we have currently now 3 branches. Here we were having 2, now we are having 3. But the same branch we will not see on the browser, because still like if I will refresh this page, we will not see that branch, because still we didn't committed that branch into the server repository. And we can see like we still not able to see it here. So we have to push the like the changes, and basically for push that command into the server. So we have a command called git, and then we have push. So this is the normal, like if we have any new file or the code changes, we have this command. But for giving the branch into the server repository, like pushing the branch into the server repository, we have different command like git push, then dash set dash upstream So after upstream, then we have to give origin, and then the branch name we have to give. So let's give that branch name. So we have created feature local and get. So this is the branch we have created as of now. So if I will hit enter, what it will do? Now currently it is saying like I think this we have missed something. So let's write it again. Like we didn't give the space between the upstream and the origin. So that's why we are getting this help command. So what we can do, like we can see here, this is the set upstream for get pull status. So this is the command basically we have to use using the origin. So let's do that. And if I will hit enter, what it will do, it will push this branch into the server repository basically. So it will take few seconds to push that command into the server. So it is doing that, and like we got the message. So let's, what I do, I will refresh this page. Now let's see, like we can see that new branch into the server or not. So we have to wait for a few seconds. Let's see. And we can see like the feature local get, the branch we can see here. So this is the way of creating a branch using the local repository, basically using the cmd command. And now let's understand like same thing how we can create using the like tortoise get. So for that we have to go on this folder, and from this folder it's a simple, because get we have to do everything using the commands, but like tortoise get and the Visual Studio we have the tools. So using that it's quite easy to create the branch and pushing that branch. So for that, like once you will click on this tortoise get, and from here we have to find like create branch. So once we click on this create branch, this pop-up window will come, and here we have to give the branch name. So what I can do, like branch from tortoise get. So this name, branch name I am giving, and the where you want to add based on that, like tag, commit on the branch, where you want to like on which under you want to create that, based on that you can take. So I am going to take as a head of master, and after selecting of your options, what you can do, you can click OK, and once we click OK, it will create the branch basically. And how we can identify, like from here we can see like how many branches are there. Like once I will create a branch, and if I will go under this branch, we can see like branch from tortoise get, but as of now we can't see this branch into the server repository because we didn't push the changes here. So we have to push, see, like we are not able to see that, so we have to push the changes. So it's quite simple. From here just you have to click and push the changes, and once we click on the push the changes, we can see like all the things we will see here, like remote is the origin, and like on which like on where you want to push all the branches. So this is the thing, and if I will click on this push all the branches, because we are going to push the branches, that's why we have to select it. And like unknown changes, non changes, whatever you want to select, we can select it from here. And once I will click OK, what it will do, like do you really want to push all the changes? Yes. So once I'll click, what it will do, it will push that branch into the server repository. So it will take a few seconds to push that branch into the server repository, and then we'll see on the server like that repository is pushed or not pushed. So we have to wait for a few seconds. Let's see. And like it's almost done. So like we got some error message here, but let's see like this branch is pushed or not pushed. It might be related to some other issue, and we can see from here like why we are getting failed to push, some reference to that. So I think like our repository like the branch is already pushed into the server. So if I will refresh this page, yeah, we can see like here like our branch which we created from the tortoise git, we can see this branch is here available here. So this is the way of creating the branch using the tortoise git. So like in this way we can create the branch using the tortoise gate, and after creating the branch we have what we have to do, we have to push that branch into the server. So now let's see like how we can create the branch using the Visual Studio. So let's see like how we can create the branch using the Visual Studio. So this is the Visual Studio, and here you click on the home, and when we click on the home we can click on the branches, and once we click on the branches here just click on the new branch, and then branch name we have to give. So give the branch name, so branch from VS. So this is the branch name I'm giving, and here the checkbox like checkout. So it is indicating like once you create the branch you want to check it out as well or not. So it is asking that. So as of now I don't want to check it out, so I have unchecked this. And where you want to create, so I'm going to select like master. If you want to like whatever you can select as you per your requirement, and once you select the options click on the create branch. So what it will do, it will create the branch, and we can see locally we can see it here, but still we don't have that on the server branch. So what we can do, we have to go here and just click on the synchronize, and once we click here what we have to do, we have to push like all the changes which we have created as of now. So just click on the sync. So what it will do, it will sync all the changes. So it will take a few seconds to do this, and after that what we have to do, we have to push the changes. So here we got message successfully synchronized, incoming and outgoing comments, but still we didn't push the changes because here the changes is not showing. Let's see like what all are the branches is there. So we have this branch, and what we have to do, we have to push all those changes. So we can see like here on the locally we have this one, and now let's see like at the home page any changes it is showing or not showing. So these are the other changes it is showing as of now. So for that what we have to do, we have to check out this branch. So you can right click on this and we have to check it out, and then go to the synchronize, and here we have like we can see this push is enabled. Here we are not looking any changes, but like for the branch, like for tracking purpose, what we have to do, we have to push this one. So let's click on this push, and once we done with the push, let's see like all the changes we'll see on the server or not. So it will take a few seconds to push the changes into the server repository. So let's wait a few seconds, and here we can see like successfully pushed branch like the branch name to the origin. Now let's go to the server repository and refresh this page, and we should see the newly repository which we created just now. It should be visible here. So let's see like we can see that branch or not, and like here we can see like branch from VS. So this is the way of creating the branch using the Git and like tortoise Git and using the Visual Studio. So if you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.